Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated drones in DJI's lineup, sparking immense excitement within the drone community. Even with the recent release of the DJI Neo, a compact, palm-sized vlogging drone, the hype for the Mini series remains as strong as ever. Enthusiasts are eager to see how DJI will elevate the Mini 5 Pro, which has become the go-to choice for aerial photography enthusiasts looking for a portable yet powerful drone. So, what upgrades can we expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? In this video, we'll explore rumored features, potential enhancements, and the expected release date, as well as the challenges DJI may face in balancing performance and the all-important 250g weight limit. The DJI Mini series has cemented its reputation as a lightweight, high-performance drone that caters to both hobbyists and professionals. The sub-250g weight classification is crucial, as it allows users in many regions, including the US, to fly without requiring an FAA license. However, as DJI continues innovating, improving features such as battery life, camera quality, and flight performance while maintaining this weight limit becomes a challenging feat. Potential features and upgrades. LiDAR technology for enhanced obstacle avoidance. One of the most exciting leaks suggests that the Mini 5 Pro might feature LiDAR technology for the first time in an ultralight drone. LiDAR utilizes laser beams to measure distances and map the environment in 3D, improving obstacle detection and flight safety. While LiDAR's benefits shine in low-light conditions, its real-world impact during daytime flights remains to be seen. Still, if integrated effectively, this feature could revolutionize precision flying and navigation. More powerful motors with improved cooling. Leaked images suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature vented motors, hinting at better cooling and increased thrust. Stronger motors could enhance stability in windy conditions, a common challenge for lightweight drones. However, boosting motor power often comes at the cost of battery life. DJI may have had to make trade-offs, possibly reducing flight time or utilizing lighter materials in other areas to maintain the weight limit. Upgraded camera sensor for superior image quality. Strong rumors are suggesting that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a larger 1-inch sensor, an upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor allows for better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper details. While the resolution may not see a significant jump, DJI seems to be focusing on enhancing color accuracy, clarity, and noise reduction, key factors for professional-grade aerial photography. AI-powered tracking for smarter subject locking. AI tracking has been a widely requested feature, particularly for capturing fast-moving objects such as vehicles, athletes, or wildlife. If DJI improves the Mini 5 Pro's tracking capabilities, allowing for smoother, more accurate subject locking, it could make this drone a game-changer for action videographers and adventure filmmakers. 5G connectivity for enhanced live streaming. A major potential upgrade is the addition of 5G connectivity, which would enable higher-resolution live feeds, improved real-time transmission, and reduced latency. This could be particularly beneficial for professional users who rely on smooth, uninterrupted video feeds for live broadcasts or complex aerial maneuvers. Expected trade-offs and considerations. Battery life adjustments. Given the rumored motor enhancements and LiDAR technology, one of the primary concerns is how these additions will impact battery life. The Mini 4 Pro offers an impressive 34 to 40 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions. However, if DJI is incorporating more power-hungry components, the Mini 5 Pro may see a slight reduction in overall flight duration. Maintaining or extending battery life while staying under 250g would be a significant achievement for DJI. Weight limit challenges. Staying within the crucial 249g limit while adding high-tech features presents a real challenge. To achieve this, DJI may use advanced lightweight materials or streamline internal components. If successful, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine what an ultralight drone is capable of, setting a new benchmark in the industry. Pricing and release date expectations. DJI follows a fairly consistent release cycle with its Mini series, with new models typically launching annually. If this pattern holds, the Mini 5 Pro could be unveiled as early as November, just in time for the holiday shopping season. As for pricing, expect a slight increase from the Mini 4 Pro's starting price, considering the potential upgrades and advanced features. A price range between $799 and $999 seems plausible, making it a premium yet accessible choice for drone enthusiasts. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth the hype? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to be a significant upgrade in the ultralight drone category. With potential features such as LiDAR, a larger camera sensor, improved motors, AI-powered tracking, and 5G connectivity, it could set a new standard for portable drones. However, questions remain about battery life, weight constraints, and real-world usability of these new technologies. If DJI successfully integrates these enhancements while maintaining the sub-250G classification, the Mini 5 Pro will likely be a must-have drone for both casual flyers and professionals alike. So, what do you think about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are these rumored features enough to convince you to upgrade? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone.